Hello, today we will guide you through how to export timesheets on QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll take you from opening QuickBooks to downloading a clean report you can share with Payroll, billing, or your records. Start by going to QuickBooks Online in your web browser and sign into your company if prompted. Give the dashboard a moment to load and make sure you're in the correct company file. Keeping your browser zoom at 100 and closing any pop-ups can make the next steps easier to see. Next, click Reports in the left navigation. This opens the Report Center, which lists every standard report available in your subscription. At the top, use the search bar to quickly find the time reports. Type the word time. As you type, QuickBooks filters the list so you don't have to scroll. In the results, select Time Activities by Employee Detail. This report displays each time entry captured for your team, broken out by employee, date, customer, or project. Service item, billable status, and hours. It's the most useful view when you need a detailed export of timesheets. Before exporting, set the date range so you only include the period you care about. Click Report Period to reveal the date controls. Then click from and choose the start of your pay period or billing cycle. Next, click to and choose the end date. Take a moment to confirm the range at the top of the report. A correct date span ensures totals and details match your payroll or invoicing window. If your list looks empty, it usually means there are no time entries for those dates, or they were recorded to a different company or user. With the range set, you're ready to download. Click Export at the top of the report. QuickBooks generates a file you can open in your spreadsheet application. Depending on your browser settings, it will either save automatically to your Downloads folder or ask where you'd like to save it. After it downloads, open the file to review the rows and totals. You can sort by employee, filter by customer or project, and share the file with your payroll administrator or project manager. That's it. You opened QuickBooks, found the time activities by employee detail report, set the report period using the from and to fields, and exported the data. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section while you complete these steps